Greetings! I am Jeremiah from Sekolah Pelita Harapan, Kemang Village Campus, Jakarta, Indonesia. And I authored Contemplating on My Linking Standards to Quality Practice, Liskip Journey in the Philippines, an Autoethnography. Professional development systems help teachers enhance their practice, though the impact of mechanisms with this agenda only sometimes yields positive results. In the Philippines, the Department of Education, DepEd, and the Philippine Normal University, PNU, implemented the Linking Standards to Quality Practice, LISCUP, to help its teaching workforce improve. It trains teachers to optimize their instructional delivery through rigorous training under online programs at PNU, requiring job embedded learning, GEL tasks associated with DepEd professional assignments. This ethnographic study was conducted to demonstrate how LISCUP influences teachers. Using the author's reflective narrative of his experiences posted on social media, themes were developed: character projection, cognitive processing, and career progression. The findings of this study demanded considerations in the program relative to the well being of the students. This study contributes to the present explorations on how teachers can grow through professional advancement programs implicating similar mechanisms in a global setting. Enjoy reading!